What's up, everyone? Today I'm teaching you how to beatbox the zipper sound in 1 minute. Alright, so today we're going to be learning the zipper sound. Probably one of the coolest sounds in all of beatboxing, and it's a lot easier than you think. But first off, I want to thank Audible for sponsoring this video. With Audible, you get access to thousands of titles, from podcasts to any type of books. Just download the app and it's all right in the palm of your hand. You can also download titles and listen to them offline, so you can listen anytime, anywhere. My favorites are the inspirational books, such as The Power of Habit, Osho, and more. Sometimes I beatbox along to them when I work out. I even start my day with empowering podcasts such as Morning Brew. So you can start listening now too. Just use my link audible.com/SpencerX for a free 30-day trial. And you'll get 1 title and 2 Audible originals free. It's the link in the description below, so go click on it now. Or text SpencerX to 500-500. Alright, now back to the tutorial. And we're gonna start now. To make the zipper sound, what you're going to do first is pucker your lips, like you're giving a kiss. Notice the sound that you make when you kiss? This sound is like that, just a little more extreme. You're inhaling air and the pressure of your lips are going to create the sound. Now to get from to, you're going to tighten the side of your lips and make the middle of your lips flexible. It's going to kind of look like a half smile, like you're kind of happy. What you want to do now is breathe in hard and fast, and then tighten your lips to increase the pitch of the sound. It should start off sounding like, but with enough practice, it'll sound like. And the last step to all of this is practice. And that's it. Anyways, that's the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it or if you learned anything today, go give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what other sounds you want to learn, and more tutorials coming soon. Finally, I hope you all have a great day. Go kill it out there. Be your best self. I'll catch you soon.